Welcoming tonight a practice again in a progressive breath, an interrupted breath, which will progress into a full yogic breath. And it all begins with getting the body comfortable. It all begins with situating the legs and the arms, taking a few moments to find the balance point for the pelvis and the hips. And if you're sitting, you might let your upper body find its most effortless place, stacked over the pelvis. And if you're laying down on the floor for this breathing practice, take a moment also to notice how your shoulder blades have been organized, where your hips have found themselves. And is this a position that allows you a comfortable, easy access to your breath? That's really the most important at this moment, is to have access to the breath. So finding a position where you are physically comfortable, the body is settled. And begin by being a witness, by observing, by noticing and watching the breath. You're watching the air arrive and depart. Can you feel the air move in the nose? Can you feel the body filling up and emptying out? Track the breath. Let the body breathe naturally as best as you can, encouraging the mind to be a witness and a watcher. As you invite the body to breathe spontaneously, to breathe effortlessly. Watching that breath. And that may be your practice for today. You may stay with watching the natural breath, which is plenty of a practice in and of itself. That might be your work tonight. And you may wish to expand your lung capacity with this practice. This is an invitation, again, a suggestion. You may choose to do this. As you're breathing in, about partway in the inhale, you pause and then continue that inhale. There may be a second pause or even a third one as you practice this way, as you find the space to increase the inhale. So the inhale comes a little bit and pause. Keep inhaling, pause, and complete the inhale. Smooth exhale, one long, steady breath out. One long, steady breath out. For an interrupted inhale, little bits, little sips of inhale. And in the pauses, in the moments between the inhale bits, let the body soften. Let the body release and soften as you find that natural space available for a deeper breath. This may be your practice today. You may continue with interrupting the inhale. You may wish to let this go and interrupt the exhale. You may choose to have a smooth inhale and let the exhale out bit by bit by bit. And if you're just beginning with these practices, I recommend staying with the first stage, with interrupting the inhale for a few weeks to really get that muscular comfort with that. And from there, moving into bit by bit with the exhale and a smooth inhale, divided exhale, interrupted exhale. One or the other, 2 or 3 breaths, to then smooth it out, whatever you're choosing, whichever you're doing, or even if you're resting in your breath, to move into a full breath, a breath which the inhale fills slowly and fully from the lower parts to the middle parts of the lungs up to the tops of the lungs. A breath that fills the front and the middle and the back. Feeling this breath expand in the body. Breathing an exaggerated breath, whether you're sitting or lying down, you are safe. You can inhale in a way that might make you dizzy. Right on the edge of that, if it feels safe to do so, big deep breath in and big deep breath out. Take one or two more of these giant yogic breaths, these full breaths. And allow the body to soften again. Allow the body to let go and to return to the natural breath, to return again to effortless. Be a witness, again, a watcher. Watch the body breathe.
Thank you for joining me here on YouTube. While you're here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notifications for when the next class becomes available. See you soon.